Good morning everyone. Myself Ravi Purohit, physics tutor. So today we are going to discuss about difference between mass and weight. Most commonly used two physical quantity. So let's talk about first mass. Mass means amount of matter inside an object. So whatever amount of matter inside an object, it's known as its mass. Mass is scalar quantity and value of mass is same at everywhere, which means value remains same at equator, at pole and at the center of the earth. Now let's come on what is meaning of weight. Weight means weight of an object is defined as force with which earth attracts an object. So definition of weight is weight of an object is defined as force with which earth attracts an object. Now, so formula for weight is given by mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now, as weight of the body depend on acceleration due to gravity, so weight of the object is vector quantity as value of g, value of acceleration due to gravity g, is changing place to place. G having a different value at pole, G having a different value at the center of the earth, G is a different value at the equator. So as G varies, value of the weight is varies. So weight varies place to place. So basic difference between mass and weight is mass is scalar quantity where weight is vector quantity. Value of mass is same at everywhere where value of weight varies place to place. Why value of weight varies place to place? Because weight depends on acceleration due to gravity, and we know that acceleration due to gravity varies from pole to equator and from equator to the center of the earth. Now let's talk about a daily life example. Suppose someone went to doctor and check his weight and he told my weight is 10 kg. Do you think this is right way to explain weight? This is completely wrong. 10 kg means its mass, means amount of matter inside his body. So whenever you multiply its mass into 9.8, you will get weight of an object. So in daily life we made the error. We continuously saying my weight is 10 kg, which is scientifically absolutely wrong. Whenever you try to say your weight, multiply by your mass. Multiply your mass by 9.8. So you will get the value of weight. Thank you so much.